Hello guys, you're welcome once again over here, and today I want us to fix this problem. Something went wrong on YouTube. So to fix this problem, this is what you have to do. You have to go to your phone menu like this, tap on Google Play Store, tap on the search, tap over here, then after that search in for YouTube or YT, and as you can see, this is it. What you have to do is to wait for it to load, and after loading you're going to see this. So tap on this, so tap on update, and now let's wait for it to update itself. And as you can see, it is pending and now downloading, so let's wait whilst it's downloading. So as you can see, it's installing on our device. Let's wait. So after installing, you're going to see open. Don't tap on open right now. Go to your phone menu and scroll down and try to navigate YouTube. Now tap on the app info. After that, wait. When it opens like this, tap on the storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache over here. So tap on it. So after clearing the cache, go back. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure this is turned on like this. Do you get me? Tap on notifications. Make sure it's turned on like this. So after doing all this, what you have to do is tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Now you have to restart your device. So tap on the power button, tap on restart, and restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video.